everyone. Hello everyone, welcome back to Seacoast RV, and we are in an elevation trailer model. Well, it's not really a trailer, but it's like a house, so I'm going to show you around. So first we have this kitchen and I'll start from this place.
You want to start over?
No, don't start over.
Okay, go.
So here's a fireplace here, and then there's a thing where you can put stuff there, and then here's a spinning chair. Attention. So that's pretty nice. And then there's a pretty cozy couch here with some pillows.
You fell asleep?
No. So then here's a table.
Yeah.
Here's a counter, and it has more spinning chairs.
Wow, look at that.
Oh, that's just decoration. Then here's a metal sink here. And then there's this thing. I don't want to turn it on right now. And some more counter, lights, a lot of outlets in here. And another counter.
Cabinets? Those cabinets open?
Yeah, there's some cabinets here. Mostly just the same thing, but
Yeah.
some down here.
Okay. How about the stove and fridge?
The stove and the fridge. Well, this is a black stove here, and it looks very nice. And then there's a microwave to microwave your food by whatever that company is.
GE.
GE? Okay. And then if you smell propane, cabinet. So there's some more cabinets here. I don't know what that is, but maybe it's for a picture. I'm not done with this. Then there's some storage there. There's some light. They don't work. And then there's a sink
They
here.
work. We're just not plugged in.
A bathroom sink here. Then a mirror. I can see you. Anyways, there's a toilet. Hey, get out of here. I'm going on the toilet. And then there's a shower here with some seats.
Yeah.
Oh! Echo! Then there's some more storage and cabinets here. Window. Here's a fridge. It's a very big fridge. Important. Lot of space here. And you even get this. So, this is the bedroom. Welcome to the bedroom. And so, see a bed here. Some space to put something, probably a TV. Some cabinets to put your clothes. More space. Some steps here. There's the bed. And then you can probably put a lamp on those things. There's an air conditioner. There's a random thing there. And then there's some more cabinets. Also, you can put blinds on those. Now it's time to go upstairs. These are some very steep steps. First, over here, you have a loft, and you can't open this, so there's probably something in there. But you can open these ones. Some more storage and space to put your stuff.
Yeah.
A window here. Some windows. And now my phone fell out. And here's another place with another air conditioner. And so, ooh, actually no cabinets here, just like a thing. Counter, yeah.
Okay.
Then, yeah, that's this thing. And there is some cabinets right there.
Yep, more cabinets. Yep, more space. Okay, so tell me how you like this.
I like this a lot because of the loft. It's fun up there. And the spinning chairs. I like spinning.
Okay, good.
Spinning.
Okay, and tell us where we are.
We are at Seacoast RV in Maine.
Me. Tell them Emerson sent you.